Hey, it's Meredith. I would just want to tell you a little bit about how to use NC WiseOwl if you would like to use it for your global field day research, because there are some really cool things. The first thing is go to ncwiseowl.org and click on elementary school. I've been showing the kids Britannica School is really fun, and they can search their country in the top, and you can click on the article that refers to their country. For almost all of the countries, they have a map, they have the flag, they have a recording of the national anthem if you hit play. So that has been really fun. The kids have loved it. And most of the countries have at least one or two pictures of the area. They can hit play and have the article being read to them. If they wanted to get a little bit more information, they can hit reading level 2 and it jumps them to the middle school version of Encyclopedia Britannica. All of this is available to them. If they try to go on it at home, it will ask for a username and password. Just type in WiseOwl18, or it's actually WiseOwl19 now. It changes every year. So I'm going to go back. Maybe we'll X out of there. Also, if you go to Britannica, you can go to, you can also search their map of the world, which will, if you go to the World Atlas, it'll search for, it'll pull up the same articles, but you can also look at a map of the world and see where that country is in relation to other countries. The next thing I want to show you is, scroll down to Explora. Also has a nice little geography piece to it. There's lots of cool things. This will pull up articles or books regarding different things in that subject area. So I will click on geography. It does not have every country I think that we're going to be searching for, but it's ABC order, list of countries, states, and places. So Brazil is on there, and I know Kenya is on there again. When I click on, let's see, the Yangtze River in China. And it definitely has all the states, so that's kind of cool. If you click on, I'll click on Kenya. It's my favorite. And they have ebooks on Kenya, a little topic overview. If you open up the ebook and you're in school, you can read it, or if you're connected to any Wi-Fi, you can read that ebook right there in front of you. So you could either read it for your kids, or you could have the kids look it up themselves, and it'll have the whole book in PDF format. So you can scroll up and down and learn about your country. So that's pretty fun. And that's pretty much it. I think I just wanted to show you those couple places to find more information on the geography of your place if you wanted to do some little research or guide your kids to a safe place to do research. So I'm going to create a collection on Destiny and add those a couple of different websites, but I wanted to give you another little video recording because I know NC WiseOwl has a lot of options to go to. So I just wanted to kind of guide you if you wanted a little bit more information. And this is one more. It also has continents and regions, geography, continents and regions, and then you can browse topics. I wasn't sure how much information this would have, but it looks like you can go try Africa, and it looks like you can read. So maybe it's a little bit more about the continents and not the specific countries, but you might find some good stuff there too. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day. Happy Friday.